Okay guys, we are making Dr. Pepper Sloppy Joes. So I have an onion here and a small onion. We're going to chop it up. We're going to go ahead and chop it up before we put our hamburger on. We kind of want to cook it all at the same time. Okay guys, so we have our small onion chopped up. Look at that bell pepper. That is the most beautiful bell pepper I have seen in a long time. It's gorgeous. Okay, we're going to use 1/4 cup of bell pepper. So we're just going to chop up this one little piece. I'm going to kind of cut it into fine pieces. So we have our bell pepper. Okay, so we have our bell pepper and we have our onion. We're going to go ahead and put our hamburger on. I'm using a 1 pound 80/20, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my pan. I've got my pan hot. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and we are going to put our onion and our pepper in our pan. Okay, now Miss Fran, why have you got a Dr. Pepper up here? Well, but Dr. Pepper is my favorite soft drink. I normally drink diet. Okay, so now we need 1/2 cup of Dr. Pepper, 1/2 cup. Gotta let some of that fizz kind of go down just a little bit. Go ahead and pour in our Dr. Pepper. Look at that sizzle up. And now we need 1 cup of barbecue sauce, and I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay, now we're just going to pour it in. So I have put the lid on it. We're going to let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes till all those flavors come in. This is such a quick, easy meal. It's so simple and so easy. I have my hamburger rolls here. There's nothing fancy about them. They're plain, simple, everyday, inexpensive hamburger bun. But we're going to lux them up just a little bit. You know that we need to spend just a little bit of extra time while that's simmering away. We can be buttering these rolls and getting them ready to grill. And oh my gosh, are they not going to be fantastic? So we're going to go ahead and melt a couple tablespoons of butter. Just going to kind of cut it up. So when I put it in the microwave, it'll melt pretty quick. We're going to go ahead and butter these rolls. Just put a little bit on the inside. We're going to brush them. So they get really good and soft when the sloppy joe mixture goes on, when our filling goes on. So easy. Now, I like to serve sloppy joes with potato chips. I just think that is so easy. Potato chips and sloppy joes. How quick of a meal is that? Got a pan out on my stove, And we're going to let it get good and hot, and we're going to put our rolls in it. Years ago, when I was like 24 years old, I only had one child. I didn't know you can make sloppy joes from scratch. I just automatically thought they were manwich. I had never heard of anybody making their own made sloppy joes. And so she made them, and they were delicious. They were so fantastic. And so I kind of like different recipes for sloppy joes. I've never had one I really didn't like. So the other day I was at Hobby Lobby, and a friend of mine, I seen her in there, and she was telling me, Fran, you got to make these sloppy joes with Dr. Pepper. And I said, what? I've never heard of such a thing. I said, I'm going to give it a shot. So today we are making sloppy joes with Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper sloppy joes. I have no idea where she got the recipe from, but it don't matter. We made it, and we are going to eat them. All right, let's start putting our rolls in our pan. These buns are getting just a little bit crispy. I'm going to give you a simple tip to let those peppers and onions kind of simmer down and break down with that hamburger in that sauce, because then you have basically the same texture, and it makes your sloppy joe taste wonderful. There's no crunchiness, unless you like that, but we want it to have all the same consistency in the texture. And we are not going to toast the top, just the bottom, because we want it to be the same structure. When that sauce hits it, it's going to get all warm and gooey. It's just going to be perfect. They're really good and toasted and around the rim. Oh my gosh, makes the best sloppy joe. Okay guys, we have our sloppy joe mixture here. I'm telling you, it is beautiful. And you know that sloppy joes are called sloppy joes for a reason. They're sloppy, okay? They're just plain, downright sloppy. And these are very, very hot. So we're going to have to wait till they cool down. Do I want to try this messy sloppy joe on YouTube? We're going to. My friend was right. These are outrageous. Oh my gosh. They're definitely sloppy, but y'all, you're gonna eat every bit of it. It is absolutely wonderful. I am in love. You guys, I want to say thank you for watching, for commenting. We did hit a little over 86,000, and that is because of you. You're watching, you're commenting, your kind words. Oh my gosh, I'm blown away by every single video I put out. Your kindness blows me away. I just want to say thank you for watching, for commenting. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.